not?
Yeah, this is enough. So you don't want to sip from them, okay, Mom?
They're Mommy's favorite flower.
But they're my favorite flower. Here, so you don't have what?
We're currently picking up garbage at Bubba's house, right?
Yeah.
Cleaning up her property. Let's go over here. It is a beautiful day. We are headed to the mall with my grandmother just so that she can get out. But we're going to take her to the mall, to the store, and just, yeah, to get out. But I wanted to show you this really old, beautiful tree that is behind our home. Hello, birds.
There you go. They're all over the place for us. They're all over the place.
They're all over the place. What did you find?
It's a room.
Cool. It's so cute. Okay, let's put it back in its home.
Let's put it right here.
Okay. Do you see that? That's the moon. Look at that little sliver. Wow. The camera doesn't do it justice, but that's so beautiful. So I just finished filming. I'm gonna wipe all of this off and I'm gonna head home, but first I have to clean up. Just tidy this all up because I don't want to deal with it when I come back. So I'm gonna tidy all of this up and then I'm gonna head home. But yeah, it's currently 1 in the morning, so it's quite late, but stay tuned for this video. It was really easy to do and I'm happy with how it turned out. I think it looks pretty. Anyway, I'll see you tomorrow. It's late and I gotta get to bed. I gotta get home soon. I'm just parking. I just got home. I'm gonna wipe this makeup off and go to bed. It's almost 2 in the morning. And tomorrow's gonna be 16 degrees, which is really nice and warm. Well, compared to what we're used to right now because it's winter. So we're in that in-between stage. There's only a couple more weeks and then actually maybe like a week and a half and then it's spring. But you know what that means. We won't actually have warm weather for at least another 8 weeks. So that's just the way it's been. Anyway, I'm gonna go inside, wipe my makeup off, and head to bed, but I will see you in the morning.
Alright, we boogie down right here.
Better.
Doesn't make it worse. This is a strawberry cheesecake milkshake.
Yum. Wow.
I know, I saw that.
Lots of goodies. We did it like a questionnaire and I was like, what are things that you'd want to do? And snowboarding was one of them. Oh, look at the bear bench. Wow.
You're right in front of me, I'll take that. Oh, it's like Jeopardy. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Craig Miller. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Frosty, pleased to meet you, pleased to see you. And live from Blue Mountain. Make some noise if you love the skiers, Craig. Oh, make some noise, Blue Mountain. Some absolute, oh, wow. The skiers are coming out hot, hot, hot. Absolutely, really all that dancing help. Wow, okay, this is very hot. This is molten lava hotness. They really care about defeating the snowboarders. You know what? If you've got a 9-year-old going back 360 tail grabs, I think you're in a good spot. And they look damn good and smooth pulling off these tricks. The judges are really going to like the style of the snowboarders. This is going to be a tough one to call, I think. These snowboarders are really cranking it up to 11 and ripping the knob off. Absolutely.
Nice.
The snowboarders are going to keep on rolling, but ultimately it is going to be up to you, the fans, to decide who wins the skier versus boarder.
We are at the hotel, and it is the Holiday Inn. Cute little setup. There's a movie playing right there, and we are ready for bed.
Hold on, stop moving.
Thank you.
I mean,
I thought I saw water.
yeah, there is
On
water.
the GPS.
Oh, see, like over there.
Mhm.
There they are. Right there.
I can't see them.
This is how he wants to spend his birthday weekend. He wants to sleep.
Oh, brother. Lauren is only human. This ain't predicament.
We're heading to Sunset Beach.
Because it's saying.
We are right here. So
Wanna
pretty.
go for a walk right over there, Mom?
Wow.
Yeah? Yeah, Mom? Or no? Yeah or no, Mom?
No, not right now. When we go to the other side, you can. See over there? We're gonna go down those steps and go walk by the water, okay?
Right there, Mom?
Yeah.
Heading up the west coast in the morning to find a place where no one knows our faces or our names. If we don't leave now, we might never make it out alive. Plans are changing, rearranging all the time. So come away with me. Let's break free.
Ready now. Wow! Look at this, Mom.
Good job. Ooh, I like that one.
Okay, Alpha.
Get ready? Go!
1, 2, 3. Wow! Hey, that's Mom.
I don't see any bugs yet. are starting to come.
A bug?
Yep. When I tell you, I'm facing my fears of heights and of tight spaces. Yeah. You have to do it the other way. Can you do, I need, yeah, I need it like that. Can you do one like that? Or like that? The director, the producer. You know what this means. The little one got tired. These shoulders. So this is a honey miso butter donut. Just me. Wow. This one is a banana matcha. And this one's better. So we are headed home now. That was a great trip. We just finished breakfast and packing up the room, and it was a great stay. Thank you so much, Holiday Inn Express. Hi everyone, I just finished cleaning the house and I'm gonna have a little bit of lunch. This is a can of tuna with, at Costco they sell the Summer Fresh 7-grain salads. So that's what I'm eating. I'm very hungry and pooped. So I'm gonna eat this and then I am gonna record a video hopefully, and then I have to get out. It's almost 4 o'clock. I have to be gone in a couple hours. So actually, is it 4 o'clock or is it 5 o'clock? Oh yeah, no. Okay, that's the right time. Yeah, it's 4 o'clock. So I'm gonna head out soon after I record. I'm gonna eat this and I think we might watch the new Kung Fu Panda movie later. We'll see how that goes, but yeah, I hope you're well. If you haven't subscribed, please do, and join me in this week's vlog. It's gonna be a lot of fun and also full of mundane things. So if that's up your alley, then keep on watching. Okay, I'm gonna enjoy this. I'll see you in the next clip.
Green.
See, that's automatically Mediterranean cat. You don't have to worry. Yeah.
It's not soaking wet.
Yeah. Unless it's a pearl.
Which one sent you flowers? I'm gonna currently get ready and go grab my grandmother, and we are both coincidentally we both need to get blood work done, so I just thought I would take her with me, and that's what I'm getting ready for. And then we have a couple errands to do, and we're gonna spend majority of today, well, majority of this afternoon outside because it's really nice out.
This one to the carrot.
You mean this?
Nope, I mean this one. Touch it right here. Batman.
Batman is the best day.
So we did a trip to Dollarama and I grabbed a few things, including this shovel. It's a metal shovel, it's $5, but I like that it has this so that I can rest my feet on there and dig in the ground. And then it has this handle right here. And then I have another one that twists, unlocks, and you can make it longer. So that way you don't have to bend, but my son's playing with that one right now. This is the other shovel. It's a Black & Decker one actually, and it's a telescopic trowel and has a really nice grip handle, and then you can twist it and it gets longer, which is really cool. So anyway, I like gardening. I'm into it. And then I have just a bag of soil. I got our first
bubbles.
Yeah, you have your bubbles. And then we have our first greenhouse seed starter kit from the Dollarama, and it was $5. So these are great. I got this, which is a bird feeder. This was $5, but it comes with the food inside. So we're gonna hang this on the tree so that we can see the cardinals. And then I got 4 bags of these for the garbage. They're just the smaller scented garbage bags, vanilla, and there's 25 bags in each. It fits the 21 liter. Got 4 of those, and then we have a salad dressing bottle, but it's not the best. It kind of leaks and it gets sticky, so I grabbed these 2 from the dollar store. I wanted to try different ones. This one, I like that this one just clicks open like that. It's kind of easy, and there's no measurements on it, but it's nice and thin, so it can fit easily in the fridge or in the pantry. And then this one is from Our Table, and it has the measurements here, and then you just twist the lid to open and close it so that you can shake it. So I got those. This was, I think, $2, $2.50, and then this was $1.75. And then these garbage bags I think are $1.50 for 25 bags, which is a good deal. I want to make some chia puddings, so I got 3 of these. I like these instead of the mason jars to do them, just because aesthetically they're nicer, and I like the thin glass just to eat through. I don't know, it's more, I don't know, I just enjoy that experience more. So I got 3 of these to make chia pudding. And then I got my son this fun fan with some jelly beans, but I like it because it doesn't require batteries. You just have to twist it, keeps him occupied, and then the bottom there's a little spot for some water so that he can take that to school with him in April. And then in Canada we no longer serve plastic straws, so I got these from the dollar store. They're firmer, so I can just reuse them and wash them.
Yummy.
Mommy got you some straws.
Yummy.
And then the last thing I got was this. It's the, I'm actually really excited to use this. It's the Bio Blender by EcoTools. It's 100% biodegradable cleansing sponge for body cleansers and scrubs, and I have a sea salt scrub that I want to use with this, so we'll see how I like this. I have a loofah, but I like using that more for body wash and shower gel. So anyway, we're gonna put the birdhouse up and see how our snails are doing. Yeah. So we are heading to Costco, and I am literally just doing the easiest thing on my face in terms of makeup. I'm just going in with my multi-purpose balm, putting it on my lips and my eyelids. My lips are so dry. I'm gonna use some of this. It's the Too Faced Do You Fresh Glow Luminous Face Primer, and I'm gonna put the tiniest bit on my tops of my cheeks. Right? Down the bridge of my nose, and then the rest I'm gonna put right here on top of the lip. We're gonna spray some of this. It's Bosch's Rose Water Mist with Witch Hazel and mascara. I'm gonna comb the brows like that. I'm gonna put a little bit of the Benefit Boing Brightening Concealer, the tiniest bit. I'm gonna place underneath with my finger, and then I'm gonna use this brush to blend it out more. I don't have much time left. This is the Oma, I don't know how to pronounce it. The Drama Bomb Extreme Volume Nourishing Mascara. This does tend to smudge if you wear it for a really long time, but I'm just gonna do a couple errands with my family, so it should last me fine. It's not easy to take off, or it's not hard to take off either, which is nice, but it's not the most long-lasting mascara, but it gives a nice amount of volume. I'm gonna add a little bit of this, the L'Oreal Age Perfect Radiant Concealer. I'm gonna just apply the tiniest bit there, and then around the lip. I'm gonna go back in with this brush. I want to add a little bit of gel to my brows, so I'm gonna pick up the tiniest bit of the Got To Be gel, or the Got To Be Spiking Glue by Schwarzkopf, and I'm gonna run that through my brows. So I did my first Pilates workout today, literally my first workout in years. Well, I'd say like a year. I did one workout last year. It was like 40 minutes long, but that was at the gym. I did Pilates at home today for the first time, and when I tell you I am out of shape, I am out of shape. I was huffing and puffing, and you know, like that, you know, when you're like, I don't know actually if you know, but shaking trying to like do a workout because you can't, it's hard. That was me. You know, it's pretty rough out here, but I'm proud of myself for doing it. I'm gonna go in with the Essence Brighten Up powder, and I'm gonna place a little bit of that under the eye, maybe a little bit around the nose. Okay, I don't have much more time to kill here. That's it. I'm gonna put everything back, but that literally took me like 5 minutes. So if you are pressed for time, you can still make something happen. Oh shoot, I didn't put any Okay, I'm not done. I want to add a little bit of bronzer. I'm gonna go in with this. It's the Nude Naturals Bondi Bronzer, and I'm gonna apply some of that on my cheeks. This is a loose powder bronzer. They're not my favorite kind of formula for applying loose powders, just because I can get a little bit heavy-handed when it's a loose powder, but the key is just to tap it out. And this is a really warm bronzer, but I'm just gonna apply that and it'll work as like a bronzer slash blush. The lighting down here is so bad, but once I go outside, it'll look much nicer. I had a breakout here on my lip, but it's getting better. And this one has gone down a lot, so yeah, you just have to be patient with your skin and just with life, with yourself. Coming! Are they back? No. You gotta go. Just applying a little bit more of that concealer right here. There we go. It's gonna have to stay in a bun like that, but we can. Oh, whatever. We're going to Costco. No one cares, but I do. I'm gonna apply some of the Lifter Gloss by Maybelline. This is nearly done. It's in the shade Ice. And I'm gonna heavily apply that. Okay. Now we're done. I mean, I should probably invest in getting a thing for my camera. Oh, and the light went on. There we go. That one? How do I put all of them on? Well, I have no idea. Nope. There we go. So we are currently gonna go to my office, and the lights just went off. Hey guys, it's been a great day and we're at the end of it. I'm heading to my office now to go do some editing and go do some filming, and I will see you guys in the next video. I just wanted to thank you so much for joining me today, this week. I don't know if this is going to be a daily vlog or a weekly vlog, but yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the content and are able to see different sides of, you know, me and my life, rather than just me sitting in front of a camera doing my makeup. And I hope you enjoyed it. So it would mean so much if you subscribed. Let me know your name and where you're from down in the comments. Let's connect and get to know one another. Thank you so much, and I hope you are well, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.